Hello guys, today we are gonna be doing some more door slammers, and this guy, I looked up door slamming game and the glitches for gold, and this guy said you have to look up Lucky Patcher, and I did look up Lucky Patcher. It does not work at all. And I got the twin turbo, and you see twin turbo. Now we're gonna turn on the twin turbo for this, and go back and right. Cause you know that I like to play with the twin turbo. I used to go up at 190, but it doesn't. And I can figure out why it doesn't. Because I did change something on this car, so I'm like, what in the world? Why is it not racing like it used to? So I'm going to go to boost. I gotta go back to the main thing it had. Go try and go to boost. Okay. I don't know what the ramp means, but and I'm just looking at my car a little bit. See how it looks. It looks perfect and fine. I'm gonna go to the guest to play against somebody. Nobody played me in Grudge, so I'm gonna play with Grudge because nobody played me in Index. Scared to play me or something? Boom. I was not pressing anything right there. And let me go to my other car. Let me race the same guy. Oh, the ice cream guy quit the Grudge. And if I push this car to the max, I have nothing to say if I push the car to the max. Let's go change our name. I'm gonna put VCX game. Oh, my email. register. And is it still going? Okay, 5 minutes. I guess it registered or something. Dang, 203. Car got pushed to the max. I'm gonna take a look at this car. Okay, let's try this one now. And as you can see that I put my single turbo on, and this guy does not want to race, so he quit. So this car does get pushed to the max, but it does not go to 203 like it did when it had the other engine in it. (3,190 horsepower). See, this is why I do not race with this car. Well, the engine that I was using. Use this. I'm gonna turn that off and try to race one time. If you hear me chewing something, that's because I do have something in my mouth. Oh, I forgot I had the thing on. I like to have a little bit of fun with my cars. Because, like, sometimes it gets boring when I race with them. But this will be the end of the video. guys, so make sure you like and subscribe. And I do play 2K a lot, so if you have an Xbox One, then you can play 2K with me. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.